Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get custom cursor like mine in a very simple way. For that, you have to open any of your browser and then come over into the search option and then simply search for Sweezy cursors. If you click on it, and then here you're going to get the first website. If you click on and here we are into the Sweezy cursors, and from here you can get a lots of custom cursor template over here. For using it, what you have to do, you just need to select any of cursor. Like I'm going to choose this one. So if I just click on the download option, and I can simply click on cursor, close it, and now I have to click on the download section and click on save. And as you can see, the cursor is likely downloaded in my downloaded folder. You can see here it is. So now how you can set it into our Windows cursor. So for that, we need to come over into the start icon, click on the right mouse button and simply go for setting. After that, we can simply go for accessibility, click on it. And then here we're going to find out mouse, pointer and touch. If we click on it and if we scroll down a little bit, here we're going to find out mouse. Click on the mouse section, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to find out additional mouse setting. Click on the additional mouse setting and now minimize the settings, and here we will going to get the mouse properties. So if you just come over into the pointer section or the pointers section and click on the browse option, and now if we just selected desktop and select the download file, and now here we can get our cursor template. So if we select on it and simply click on apply, as you can see right now, my cursor is rightly changed to a sword. So there are lots of template you can get. You can also click on the view all, and you can get a lots of option for using your cursor image. So go into this website, change your cursor with some beautiful templates.